All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen. So it's the Monday. Yeah, the new week been started. Today is the 6th of October, and we have the really great day today because today is the birthday of our co-founder, Brian Rhodes. So you definitely, guys, can just put the great wishes in the chat for the Brian right now, like, that we do in the presentation, just like provide all of that, what you want to wish here for Brian, just like the great things. And of course, yeah, so like there gonna be many updates, many news from Jake about the token, about the price, about the prediction. And also Jake just told us that he planning to do some giveaway today. Yeah, Jake, what do you say?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's give people some buying power. Yeah, so I
Okay,
think
so
I think yeah we can share $500. Yeah, we have birthday today, and there'll be a lot of the people. Yeah,
so that's great. That's great.
Brian, is this okay? Yeah, Brian, is this okay? Yeah,
Yeah, guys, so just like, you can reach
that's
out to
awesome.
your partners and like tell them that we have something great today
Yeah.
because like, Brian have the birthday, so we have the giveaway. So like you can do that really fast. Okay, Jake, so just like you can start and like just it's gonna be transcribed exactly to the X, but that's okay. So we're gonna do all of that in the lifetime. So the presentation gonna be right here, but I will gonna just work on the giveaway part that gonna be just go and broadcast it on the X account. But that's cool. Yeah, so Jake, you can take it away.
Okay, thank you, Tim. Yeah, thank you, Tim, for a great intro. So, hello, guys. Yeah, so it's a Monday. Weekend was really crazy. So, we are just coming back with the updates of the TMX. So, let's see what's happened with the price, what we can expect next, where we are on the market, and how much of the volume, liquidity, a lot of the data, yeah, what we can collect. I will not be too long here, maybe 20-25 minutes. I'm all the time testing, preparing for the exchange launch. So this is so hard. Yeah. So basically everything need to be checked 5 times. Everything need to be reevaluated. So as I said, I'm not even sleeping. Yeah. So it's really crazy. Yeah. So first last wave of the stress for me was yeah when we launched the token. Now it's launching of the DEX. So it will be really crazy. It will be really crazy. But yeah, I hope that this month we will have everything ready and we will be ready to make money out of the market to accommodate a lot of the traders and yeah, finally bring TMX in real power, real strength and bring us these first yields, bring us these first passive gains from the market, from the people, from the staking. So yeah, as I said, I know you guys waiting for this. So yeah, so let's start with presentation. Give me 1 second. So yeah, I hope you already guys know what is procedure. Yeah, so basically you need when you go on CoinMarketCap and click TMX, you need to click bullish. Yeah, so you will not lie. You will not lie because we are bullish. Yeah, so basically, if you can see, market is really crazy. We have a really great structure of the price, and if you can see here in the last month, this is on 1 month period, we are at 190% up. Yeah. So as I said, guys, this is really crazy. And the coin market cap start a little bit late calculate, but with our price, we go almost, I think, more than 250% up, yeah, with the lowest possible entries. So as I said, this is really huge. So anytime, if you guys jump into the Zooms, if you just be, let's say, from the first day when we launch token or 10 days after, you can be in profit with our token. So basically, all this way up, every time you buy, every dips, if you take them, you will be in profit. Yeah. So for now, we just touch $7. I think we will just cross today around about $7, and from that moment, we can go to the range of $10. As I said, some guys put some bigger sell orders around $8 to $9, but yeah, as I said, our buying pressure will kick their ass and they will be sorry for selling yeah tokens. Yeah. So as I said, this is huge mistake. If you want to sell, be ready for some bigger token prices. And I just want to say, guys, we didn't even start exchange yet. Yeah. So you can just imagine how big this price can be and where we can go when we get our product ready. Yeah. And this is pre-product launch price of the token, and I think it's really crazy. Yeah. So basically this is dream come true. So from this beginning, if you can see, when everybody asks what's happened, why we are not about $3, and a lot of the people selling this first initial wave, this was, guys, your first possible entry, the cheapest possible entry what you have. And when we launched, it was really crazy day. So it was the worst possible day this year. So all market crash, no people buying. A lot of the people sell. They've been scared, yeah, because when you launch new token, people be scared, they want to take their profit, and this is why we got this down. If we launch any other day, let's say this Monday, I think we will be already at $10 or even more. Yeah. So basically we will not have this big selling point at first week. But yeah, after this first consolidation, if you can see when we touch finally $2.2, from that moment we are just going up. Yeah. So basically when we break $3, if you guys remember, we just hold about, and at that moment we see some really, really strong buying pressure. We almost skyrocket from the $3 into the $5. So this is why I talk to you guys. Don't sell in this way, as these guys who make in market order sell, they sell from the almost $5 to back to the $3.6. So they give their tokens really cheap. Don't do this stuff. Yeah. If you want to sell maybe 50 to 100 tokens all the way up. So let's say set first order at $10, then $12, then 50, then 20, then 30. So sell small amounts and take little by little the profit. Yeah. So this will not harm the price. This will keep the price up. New people will have more tokens to buy, and price can jump up. Yeah. So this is what I'm talking to you guys. Don't make mistake like this guy. He sold his tokens really cheap. And if he just hold, I will just show you this range, these dates. So if he just hold, yeah, three, how is this? This is around 3 days. Yeah. 3 days he could double already money. So this is really stupid, yeah. So this is really stupid mistake from the people, and please don't do this stuff. But yeah, as I said, this is the market, this is free market. As you always, guys, always have the wish, and you can always sell your token or buy the token. But as I said, our price target when we launch the exchange is at least $10. I hope when we start speaking, I said before launch, I think we will be already at $10. After the launch, we can go to 20, 30, or even $50. Yes. So as I said, guys, don't sell this cheap. Hold your tokens. We have limited supply. We are really private community. We don't have ventures capital. We don't have any big, huge investors except Dr. Fred. Yeah, but this guy, he's still buying. Yeah, Dr. Fred is still buying. Yeah, I really like this guy. So he said, Jake, I'm still buying. Yeah, he don't even have the sell button. Yeah, so you only have buy and stake buttons. Yeah, so as I said, this is really huge, and I like the people like him. Yeah, so I like them because they can bring liquidity, but they're really good guys. Yeah, so as I said, guys, this is the community, what we bring all together. And as I said, I'm really sorry for these guys who sell it first day in first seconds. It was stupid mistake. You can just see where this guy's been. Yeah, and where we are now. Yeah, and I can guarantee you, I think in a month we will be, I need to zoom out, yeah, really big. We can go to 20, 30, or even $50. So this is not far away. This is not far away for this kind of the project. And what is very important, we will be number 13 decentralized exchange. This is also really huge. And that means with almost hundreds and hundreds exchanges, I will now just show you centralized exchanges. So when you see centralization, these are the hundreds of exchanges. So you can just imagine how it's hard to get there and be the one of the best in central exchanges. Yeah, so you can just imagine how hard it is. And then you go to the exchanges, and then you go to decentralized. See this here. There is no lot of the guys, but this is only for the best. Yeah, this is only for the best and for the guys who are ready to build the project from the beginning. It takes a lot of the time, a lot of the money, a lot of the patience to build something like this, and we will be also one of the numbers here. So that's it, guys. Be prepared. Something huge is coming. Be ready for this, and I think we can do some really, really crazy stuff, crazy gains. You can see this Aster have 18 billion, Hypercritic have $8 billion a day trading volume. Yeah, bro, you can jump. Yeah.
Wasn't it less than a year ago that it was only 10 billion a day daily trading volume on
Yeah,
decentralized?
yeah, on whole decentralized exchanges. And now it's
Dang.
already, I don't know, even 30, 40. So it's already 3x. But
Wow.
I think by the end of the year, it will be 10x. So it will be at least 100 million a day. Yeah. So it will be really crazy. $100 billion a day trading volume. You can imagine this, all these percentages, what can come back. And with all this liquidity, what is coming now on the market, I think, guys, we have something really, really good and something big for the years to come. Yeah. So as I said, for the TMX, be ready, be prepared, share with your communities. We are still cheap. We have some really, really good volume up. And as I said, we are looking up to go to 400, 500. I see today we have 221. It's just Monday opening, but we go around 500K daily volume, yeah, into trading of the TMX token, what is really good. But I can assure you when we go with the decentralized exchange, when we open it, this can go to few $1 million. And you can imagine how big and how huge price can be at that moment. Yeah. So we are already at $7 with 200, 300, 500K of volume daily. But you can imagine what the price will be with 2 million, 3 million volume a day. So as I said, yeah, Brian.
Another thing too, for those people that like to drop stuff in different groups, like I know James does and I do too. We get asked all the time about like DEX screener or DEX tools or when the circulating supply will change. Those things will be huge. I mean, if anybody's listening to X right now, because that's not the correct reporting, circulating.
Yeah. So we
Want to touch on
already
that stuff? That'd be cool.
Yeah, they're a little bit slow, yeah, that coin market cap, yeah, to readjust this, but our now supply is 500K tokens, yeah. So you can just imagine how crazy is this, guys, yeah. And all the tokens what exchange have is around 87%, yeah. So you can just imagine, and this will be distributed by years and years, and only for the guys who are using exchange, who are staking, who are trading. And as I said, guys, this is really huge, this is really big, and I think $50 where TMX token is not too far, yeah. It's not too far. You will see. I know you think the Jake is crazy. Yeah, Jake is saying, yeah, that $7 is still great. But yeah, I think something huge can happen. And when we see this first selling, first move, as I said, it will just jump. Yeah, it will just jump. And these guys who sell, we will just leave them behind. These guys also who sell here, we just leave them behind. Yeah. And this is why I'm talking to you guys. Be ready, be prepared, share with your friends, share with your communities, because by the end of the year, from this perspective, I think we can go from 5 to 10x or even more just from this price. And yeah, you
I
can
get
just
the
imagine.
question, Jake,
Yeah.
when's the next pullback? When's a good time to buy? Am I too late to vote?
You are
Like,
not late. As I said, I got last week message. I think this was the price around $4 or $5. Jay, can I buy when we will see first sell off? I said, you are not late. Just buy, because there is just maybe in a few seconds this kind of the stuff will happen. Yeah, but you don't have time for this. Just buy, just hold your position, because maybe by the next of the week we'll be already at $10. Yeah. So this is why I'm talking to you guys. Be ready to buy. Be ready to build up. Because if you can see, since we launched almost 200%, it was even more if we go from this perspective. And as I said, volume is huge, volume is bringing up, and I think if we just come back in this range, so the cheapest possible entry was $2.2, and top now was 7.5. This is 240%, guys. Yeah. So if you buy the cheap, yeah, you already doubled the money. So you already doubled the money if you buy in first week. But for all guys who are already here, they can also easily double the money. They can also make even more. So as I said, this kind of the projects, when you get some yields on weekly, monthly, and this is good. But TMX is better. So TMX is better. TMX can bring you can see in just 1 week, you can go 100%. And for some kind of the staking or some kind of the good joining some big project, this need 5, 6 months to get this back, yeah, or even more, 12 months to give 100%. But with TMX, we double it almost every week. We double the money, yeah. So this is this is what I'm saying. Be ready, be prepared. Also go on our X, check what we have there, check our news. I will try to also post more stuff, more roads. Yeah, if you can see, I just post $4. Then after I don't know how was few hours. We go to $5. I didn't even post now. Yeah, when we go to $7. Yeah, it was really crazy. We just jump over the $6. So I don't even have this price for $6. Yeah. So as I said, maybe by the end of the week we will be already at $10. Use this opportunity. Opportunity is really huge. So opportunity is really huge. We will be number 13 decentralized exchange who is trading futures. We will have staking. We will have also one of the best on the market yields from the liquidity providing. So also guys, if you have some spare liquidity, please use it when we open it on TMX. So this is also can be one of the way of passive income for you guys. So when you give, let's say, $10,000 to liquidity, you are providing $10,000 for the traders to trade. And basically all this money will be shared and you will get 50% of all fees what we generate. So basically now I think for the GMX is around 15%, and they have 82,000 people who give them liquidity wallets, and we will have 50%. So you can just imagine when all this roll up, when all these communities get know that we have even bigger API, you can just imagine if we just bring 1% from the GMX guys to who will come to the TMX, you can just imagine how big this can be, and how much of the millions and millions of the dollars in liquidity we can bring to our product. So as I said, guys, be ready, be prepared. Also, for the guys who are ready to join me, I will be on by the end of the month on the crypto fair in Dubai. So I think it's called Crypto Life. So I will be there from 27 to 20, from 28 to 29 of October. So I will be there. If you want to meet me, you can jump there. You can see we can get know. I can share you some of my contacts. You can speak with the community members. You can speak with some exchanges, with some big promoters there. So as I said, there will be a lot of the guys there. So you will be able also to meet me. We can also make some calls, make some moves. So as I said, guys, I will try also to promote TMX there. I'm also looking up maybe to have our own booth there. Yeah. So as I said, I send them the message. I'm speaking already with them, but yeah, I will see if it will be enough time, yeah, to prepare this. So as I said, guys, we are looking up to bring really big amount of the volume, really big amount of the push here. So as I said, don't sell it, prepare it. Maybe by the end of the week, we'll be already at $10. But I think it's not huge, not big for this kind of the project, and you will see how big push we can make, because this kind of the decentralized exchanges, yeah. So if you can see, basically like the Aster. So these guys, they have billions and billions of the dollars. The Binance is behind them, yeah. They build it. So basically for this kind of the project, they can bring a lot of the stuff in behind. But for us, we can just take little 0.1% of what they take, and it will be huge, yeah. So you can see their volume just for the token is $2 billion a day. Trading volume, this token is $2 billion a day, and this token represents decentralized exchange also, yeah. So you can just imagine how big stuff can be, yeah. And their total supply is 8 billion tokens. And we have total supplies of only 20 million tokens, yeah, guys. So you can just imagine how crazy it can be. And their price is already $2, yeah, per token. Yeah. So I don't know who is crazy, yeah, but when I see this kind of the stuff with $8 billion of supply, they have $2 per token. And they can go to 3 to 5 to even $10. Yeah. So you can just imagine what TMX can do. And we need just 0.1% of what these guys do, yeah, and we will be number 13 on this side. So as I said, please hold your ground, be ready for the move. As I said, they have circulating supply of almost 1.7 billion tokens here. So you can just imagine how much of the money, how much of the tokens, how much of the holders are there, how much of the selling pressure is there, also in buying pressure. So as I said, guys, be ready, be prepared, because some big stuff is coming into the decentralized exchanges, and I think it will be really crazy. And with us, with only now 500K in our circulating supply, plus only 20 million of tokens will be released next 5 6 years, even bigger, because we need people to start using exchange and this kind of the stuff. You can just imagine how big price we can bring. So as I said, maybe even $100 is not big. Maybe we can be like Ethereum. Maybe we can go to I don't know, $40, then go to 100 to 200, 300, 500. So this is not something strange for this kind of project. Because why is this very important? When you invest in the project who have their own crypto product and who is taking money out of the market, this is huge. Because when you invest in TMX, when you buy TMX token, you are shareholder of the TMX exchange. So basically, you own the part of the TMX exchange. And with this kind of the stuff, as I said, we have the best sharing possibility of the gains on the market with TMX, 50% for liquidity price, 20% for the token stakers, also some tokens as reward for the staking. So this is really big and this is really huge. So as I said, guys, for you to build your wealth for the years to come, as I said, just buy tokens while they are still cheap, stake them when we go live, and be ready to take the profit by the years and years to come. Yes. So as I said, we have something really huge, really big project here, and we will be ready for next push up, next leg up, and I hope maybe even $10, yeah, by the end of the week. But yeah, as I said, if we can make $10 before we launch, and at the launch day, we don't even have our product go live, and we are already at $10. So you can just imagine what we can do when we go live. Yeah. So I will not even speak. So as I said, guys, please don't sell. I will not say this to preserve the price. I'm just saying please don't sell because price will be much, much higher. And if you are need money, if you need to sell, sell small amounts. Sell small amounts all the way up. So I don't know. If you have 1,000 tokens, sell 100 tokens, I don't know, at $9, and 100 tokens at $12, at 15, at 20, at $50 per token. So sell all the way up so you can maximize your gain. And you will not harm the price, and you will always get yourself a win. So as I said, guys, I need to go now, but yeah, I think Brian, Tim, you can make this
Mhm.
random wheel,
Yeah.
and I will just check all this stuff together. So as I said, guys, be ready, be prepared. Something crazy is coming. This month will be mega crazy, and I will be live in Dubai. I will promote to people. I will try to get connections. I will also speak with the Aster, with their representatives, so maybe they will also list TMX token on their decentralized exchange, who have billions of dollars. They can also promote us. So Jake is preparing something really crazy. Yeah. So I'm looking up also to get top 5 exchanges to list us. So be ready for $50. But yeah, as I said, $100 is not also too far away when you get this kind of the way and this kind of the push up. Yeah.
Okay, Jake. So like, in the which way you want to make this giveaway? So like for the one person, for the few persons.
Let's give for 2 person 250. Yeah, for
Okay, so
each.
you can see the screen, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let's just do this, yeah. So like we're
One is
gonna.
from TMX, one is from the Brian. Yeah, so
Okay.
a birthday present. Yeah,
All right.
Brian, you will not get anything. Yeah, we will give to the people. Yeah,
Okay.
so they can buy some.
Let's go check who's gonna be the first one.
Let's see.
All right. Yeah, I think it's Brian's guy.
Yeah, that's Richard. He's ready for the exchange to go. He's got a whole bunch of private seed tokens.
All right. Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's cool. We have the Richard. Richard, congratulations to you. And we have another one. Let's just check who's gonna be the second one.
It's awesome. Man, that's exciting.
All right, yeah. So it's Robert.
Let's see.
Yeah, so like let's just check if Robert with us and Richard. I think yes, yes. So like I just basically see that.
I don't see Robert in there anywhere. I see
Uh,
Richard for sure.
yeah, I see
And please,
Richard.
guys, send your Telegram name in the chat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but I
so
just I
people
just
so
can't
not
see
scammers.
Robert.
Yeah.
I'm not sure who that was. So maybe we just need to continue with that Jake because he's not with us anymore. I'm not sure. Uh, no, he's not in the chat.
See him.
Okay, so like we continue to for the next Jake, yeah, because I'm not sure where the Robert is.
Let's just continue.
Yeah,
Got
okay.
to be on here for the giveaway, I would think,
100%, okay. So sorry for Robert, guys, but that's cool. So we have Joe. I guess Joe.
Joe's on here.
Yeah, Joe was here. I think like Joe is our member, definitely. Yeah, Joe is here.
So
Um,
Do you need Telegram handles?
Just Telegram name, yeah. Just Telegram name, yeah. Or handles has it.
Okay, so like Joe and also the Richard just basically reach out with that Telegram stuff and giveaway gonna be provided. Yeah, Jake?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will send it to your wallets and please, guy, buy, yeah. Buy yourself some TMX tokens because this 250 can become 1,000, yeah, really soon. So that's it. Use your reward,
Richards.
make it. You just okay, okay.
I put
And
it in
please,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, so that's cool. That's cool, guys. Yeah, so Jake, something more you want to add?
As I said, I will be by the end of the month on this crypto live event.
Yeah, blockchain
So
live. Yeah, you say that.
blockchain, yeah, yeah. I'm in Dubai. So guys, if you're ready to meet me, send me the message. We can prepare something, and as I said, there will be a lot of the stuff there. If you guys are from the networking, as I said, you would like to be there because the all guys from the crypto, from the Web3, from the moves that will be there. There'll be around 200 companies, 200 speakers. As they say, 15,000 attendees. I think there will be even more. Yeah, so there will be 2 days of intensive crypto stuff. Yeah, so you want to be there. If you are in crypto, if you're looking up to get something really good, you want to be there. You want to meet people. You want to check all this stuff. And if you want, you can also meet the Jake. Yeah, we can drink something, eat something, yeah, and pump TMX token up. Yeah, so you will see how this stuff works, how we build community, how we speak. As I said, when we're gonna do listing for the Maxi, for the VX, and this, I meet all these exchanges when I've been in Dubai. Yeah, so I meet direct contacts there. I made some good contacts. It takes a lot of the time, a lot of the patience. As I said, it's really hard job, but we make it done. So we make it done. We bring a lot of the volume. We double the triple almost price for the token. So as I said, guys, a lot of the stuff is happening. Now my goal is launch exchange and go to top 5 exchanges. Yeah, go to top 5 exchanges and see if we can bring maybe to some big decentralized exchange. So if we list there, you can just imagine how crazy it can be. If Aster lists us, this can be really huge. Yeah. So basically, they are also decentralized perpetual trades, and if they list some kind of the project who is similar to them, this can be really crazy. So as I said, guys, be ready, be prepared. Jake is bringing some good stuff this month, and let's take all the way up. And as I said, guys, if you want to sell small portions and sell all the way up. Just put limit order by, let's say, 100 TMX token at $9, at $12, $50, $20, $50, and this is the way how to sell. Yeah. So basically, you will not miss anything big, and you will always get some way of the profit, and you can build the price up. So that's it, guys. Be ready, be prepared. We are looking up to bring this up, and let's pump TMX to $10 by the end of the week. And I hope
Yeah.
when we
Nice.
launch, when we go live, I think we can do something really crazy.
Love it.
Yeah.
Someone.
Yeah. Joe, you want to add something just like Joe was, but I'm not sure. Like, all right. Yeah. So, like, definitely, guys, you still have the chance to buy the TMX token right now by the good price. Yeah. So, like, it's great price. Like Jake said, like, they have the great potential for the 10x, 50x, even more. So, like, don't miss the chance. Yeah. Like, don't miss this boat. And of course, like, recording gonna be posted. Yeah. Like, just like 20, 30 minutes. We congratulate one more time the winners. Yeah. Like, with the giveaway. And of course, like, wish Brian the happy birthday once again, guys all together. Wish for him the happy birthday. So yeah, thanks everyone, and we'll see you.
See you guys. Bye bye.